Hi everyone, I'm now going to make a breastfeeding cream for sore nipples, and it's a 4 ingredients recipe. We have 4 tablespoons of shea butter, 46 grams of cocoa butter, 4 tablespoons of calendula infused in grapeseed oil, and 4 tablespoons of MCT oil. They're all natural products, so you don't need to wipe your nipples off once you've breastfed. You can leave it on and then continue breastfeeding. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to melt all these ingredients together gently in a double boiler over the stove until it's just melted, and then I'm going to decant it into a jar, but I'll show you what I'm going to be doing. Okay, so my oils and butters have melted. I'm now going to put it in the fridge to solidify a bit, and then I'm going to whip it up. Okay, so my mixture has slightly solidified, so I'm just going to hand whisk this. And I've got a lovely, it's almost of a ointment base. And then once it's set completely, it will harden, and yeah, it will be a firm base. So while it's still in a partially liquid form, I'm going to decant it into my jar and then let it set in the jar itself. It's already set. So I'm just going to warm it up slightly and then pour it into the jar. Okay, so folks, so what I did was just melted my butters and oils down again very gently over the double boiler, and I put it back into the jar, and now it has set and it feels absolutely beautiful on the skin. So I'm sure that mommies that are breastfeeding are going to be very happy with this formula. It creates a protective layer on your nipples, and it helps relieve sore and cracked nipples. So yeah, give it a try and let us know how it goes for you. I've decanted it into such a pretty jar. I think these jars are absolutely magnificent. But anyway, so enjoy. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.